Hello everyone, this is Nissy from Google Japan. Today I want to share practical tips for Google Workspace. I also share useful shortcuts, Chrome tips and Chrome extensions. From tomorrow, your productivity will skyrocket. Let's get started. First, let's start with Google Chrome tabs. Tips number 1, create and close tabs. I usually open too many tabs on Google Chrome. How about you, Naruto?
Actually, I try to close the ones I'm not using.
Oh, great. Maybe you were very organized, but how about you guys? So when you open a tab, Command T. When you close a tab, Command W. If you use Windows, Control T, Control W. Let's take a look at the screen. So like this, Command T or Control T, create a tab, okay? And Command W or Control W, close the tab. That's it. We do these actions hundreds of times a day, so these shortcuts are very useful. Tips number 2, refresh the screen. Google Workspace is real-time, but have you experienced this? For example, your client says, I sent you an email. You want to check right now? Many people click the refresh button on the top left. From now on, just press Command R. So let's take a look at it. Okay, so you always use this refresh button, reload the Chrome, but if you use shortcuts, Command R or Control R, refresh and refresh.
Oh, Nishi, actually I was like an amateur, always pushing the button to refresh. But this one, I don't need to move any arrows, I just Command R.
Okay, so this shortcuts for Naruto. So tip number 3, Chrome tab groups. This tip is for people who always open too many tabs like me. Yeah. Let's look at the screen. Naruto, what apps do you usually open?
Gmail, Notebook LM,
Notebook LM, okay.
and Gemini.
Gemini, okay. So you use these apps. Okay, so open these 3 apps, right-click on the tab, okay? Okay, pressing Shift and select this tab and right-click on a tab, okay? Add tabs to new group. So click this, boom. And Naruto, what do you want the name of this group?
Top apps.
Top apps, yes. What color do you want?
I like the green one.
Green one, okay. That's it, okay? And tops app, like this. Like this.
Oh, I see. That looks much cleaner.
If you delete every tabs, so like this, top apps, this shortcut for top apps, okay? If you use this, top apps, right? Okay. How about other menus, okay? Calendar. If you want to add your calendar tab to the new group, okay? Like a top apps, right click on the calendar tab and add tab to group, no, top apps group, okay? And select like this.
Okay, I see. We can add in one click, very easy.
Like this.
And actually, Nishi, you showed me that in the left top side appears these top apps.
Yeah.
So does it mean when I totally close the Chrome
Yes.
and I turn it on again,
Yes.
can I directly open this?
Yes. I'll show you. I delete this Chrome, okay? And I reopen the Alexa account and click top apps like this.
That's great. So when we have applications that we first open every morning, we start the work, we just set up in the group and opening that group, we can directly open all the apps we always need.
Yes, this is quick access to your apps.
That's great.
Yeah. So number 4, customized search. When you want to buy something on Amazon, what do you do, Naruto?
Well, I will search for Amazon or click from my bookmark
Yeah,
and
I know.
enter the website.
Yeah, so maybe you visit the Amazon website and then search.
Yes, I do.
Yeah, so my way is different, okay? I search on Amazon directly from the address bar. Amazing, right?
Sorry, I didn't got it. Can you show me?
Okay, I'll show you the details. Look at the screen. Go to Chrome settings, okay? Yes. Choose search engine, manage search engine and site search. Here's the trick. Search for something like a desk on Amazon, okay? So go to the Amazon website, okay? So desk, okay? Copy the URL until the desk, okay? This is the most important point, okay? Until the desk, okay? So you use these settings and press add button and name, okay? Amazon and shortcut and URL, okay? And I paste it. Press %s. This is a rule, okay? And add. So what will happen? I'll show you, okay? A, press tab, search Amazon, and desk, Amazon desk.
Okay, so what if you change the desk to chair?
A, tab, chair, like this.
That's really convenient. You don't need to open Amazon, go to search, or keep looking for things that you do not have interest. You directly search what you need.
Yes. So if you want to surprise someone, you use it. So tips number 5, Chrome extensions. Finally, Chrome extensions. So Naruto, do you know Chrome extensions?
Yes, last time we did some, but actually that was the first time.
Okay, so they literally extend the power of Chrome and Google Workspace apps. So today I recommend Gcalize. This enhances Google Calendar. So as you know, Google apps are very simple because anyone in the world can use them. But here in Japan, Saturday and Sunday are holidays. Naruto, that's common globally, right?
Not in all the countries. Some countries,
Really?
Fridays are holidays due to their religion.
I see. So, but we want to see holidays clearly with colors. Not only weekends, but also national holidays. Gcalize enables us to change the background color. So go to the Chrome Web Store. Look at the screen. From Chrome tab, Chrome Web Store, and go to the Chrome Web Store, okay? And search Gcalize, okay? And install it. So this time, add to Chrome and add extension. That's it. So look at the top right bar, click the puzzle icon like this, puzzle icon, and pin the Gcalize icon. Pin the Gcalize icon. Okay, it's ready. So then open Google Calendar, okay? Yeah, now the Gcalize enable us to see the holidays, and the blue is Saturday and the red is Sunday, and today is green. That's it. So if you want more detailed settings, so you click this Gcalize application and you can change the colors you want, like this. So today's accent color, change to the purple, and the border color is also purple. And Sunday is light green, Okay, that's it. So look at the screen like this. This is today's mark and Sunday's font. And you can also change the background color. That's incredible.
It's really easy to be seen.
Yeah, so how was it? The tips I shared today are small but very useful. Actually, I want to share more tips for Sheets, Chat, and Gmail. But I'm out of gas. So stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.